Hello, today I'm going to show you how I paint the grout. It's gotten really dingy, as you can see right here. I already cleaned it with vinegar and water mix that I made up. You definitely want to clean it first. When I cleaned it, a lot of grime came off, but it's still, as you can see, it's dingy. I had done this whole room a while back, but I didn't want to move this desk here, so I never did under the desk. So now I'm going to show you how I painted the grout by doing the area under the desk. The grout pen that I found, I don't think I got the exact same color because I've done some other spots in here. It's a little darker. So I might add a tint it with a little bit of white to lighten it a little bit. This is what I used right here. Grout pen, Restorer, Advanced Anti-Mold Formula, grout pen. I ordered it on Amazon. So first thing you have to do, I believe it says, like, shake it for a minute. And then what I did was, after I took the cover off, I pressed it down to get it started, and you can see it's coming out on here. And over near where the trim already is, I use a small paintbrush to get it up close, and then I can go the rest of the way with this. It can't quite get under the trim, so that's why I have to do that. I'm going to start in the corner and then work my way this way. The other thing you want to do is have some rags handy, because you're going to wipe the excess that gets onto the tiles right off. I usually go a little ways with the grout pen. After I get some of it done, then I go back and wipe it. I'll try mixing a little bit of this white paint in. This is an experiment. I've never done this part before. I think that is a lighter. I think it's closer in color. Let me show you and see if you agree. So that's lighter. And what do you think? Does it match up with that a little better? I'll show you how I wipe it away too. You can see that it's on the edges there. So you just come through, wipe it off. See how now you can see that it's right only in compared to that where it's over the edge. Let me see. Try mixing in a little white on this one. I'm just dipping it in there, and then I'm mixing it up here. Actually, it'll help me color match a little better. There we go. It's pretty close. So if I blend it in a little bit, it will not be quite as noticeable. There we go. You can see while it's still wet-ish, you can wipe it right off the edges and it goes away. Works a little better when you let it dry a little longer. You let it dry a little tad longer than I did in that spot. It will clean it better. It kind of just peels off. But you don't want to leave it too long because then it stays there. It came out pretty good. As you can see, a little bit color off. What I would suggest is move your furniture out of the room if you're going to do this when you do a room, or we'd put these tiles in ourselves. If I could do it all over again, I would use a darker grout. Darker grout all the way. I did learn from that mistake, and when we did our bathrooms, I used a dark grout in our bathrooms and didn't have to paint. This was our first tile job ever, the whole downstairs with this tile, and we used the light grout, and then our next time we tiled, we used a darker grout. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.